Hey, it's Lori Alvarez, and we're out talking about ADUs. Is this one? So ADUs just seem to be one of the most exciting things that's happening right now with regards to homeownership. We are just seeing it transform the landscape of real estate. Or is this one? Yes, there are plenty of options when it comes to an ADU. Wait, maybe there's another. And yes, this is one too. This one would be referred to as a JADU. Oh my gosh, what is that? Let's talk about that. So ADUs are transforming the real estate landscape right now. What are they? They're called accessory dwelling units. That's what they're called. Why would you have one? Well, maybe you need someone to live on your property and you don't want them in the house with you. They're detached. They're removed from the primary residence unless you choose to do what's called a JADU, which was the garage conversion. Lots of houses are doing them these days. And you want to know, does my property qualify? And is it worth it? Well, that's where you're going to check with the county or the city for the standard regulations that are available for different properties because, well, maybe not all of them are approved to have an ADU. Look, there's so many benefits to homeowners to have an ADU or a JADU. You just have to determine if it makes right sense for you personally. Over in the city of Long Beach, I've been talking about it all weekend because we have a great property for sale out there. ADUs are huge over there and everyone's converting them, and the city of Long Beach seems to be super user friendly. So again, check in with your local city to see if it's a good option for you and does it make financial sense. I don't want another tenant on my primary residence. I would love another tenant on one of my rental properties though. So you determine what makes best sense for you. So in the end, make sure you consult the professional that you need. There's going to be various professionals throughout this experience of building an ADU. Make sure you understand and work with someone who gets it, and make sure you do all the research around the zoning and compliance regulations. Always do your research in advance so you're prepared. And then there's the money. Make sure you have enough and a little bit more to get to the end of the project. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. If you've done one, comment down below. Show us, share with us the pros and cons that you experience.